Welcome, it's Danson DIY and today we're going to be unboxing this Ryobi rechargeable screwdriver.
Now, this was a gift because we put together a lot of different things, ranging from furniture to toys to outdoor equipment, you name it. And this should be able to save us some time and wrist pressure and hand fatigue by not using Allen wrenches or cranking down screwdrivers. So it comes with several bits, including an extension chuck, a charger, and the instruction manual inside. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the charger that comes with it. And I do want to note that here we are at this day and age, and this thing is still a micro USB. So be careful not to lose this, because a lot of people have USB-Cs nowadays, and you don't have too many of these floating around. But it's pretty simple. You just go ahead and plug it in the back. Then you plug it into a brick or any place that you have USB-A connection, because again, it is a USB-A connection. And we're going to look at the 10 bits that came with it. Now, it is a standard bit size, so you can use any other bits that you may have lying around the house that may meet your need. So the first thing we're going to try this out on is this table right behind it, and so we'll post that as we build that, and we're going to use the actual Ryobi screwdriver to build that out. But the instructions are really, really simple and straightforward. Just charge it. As you saw when I plugged it in, it blinks green. Once it's fully charged, it stays green, and then you're ready to rock and roll with it. Now, our initial charge didn't take all that long, but just like anything else, when you first get them, go ahead and charge them all the way up. The chuck or extension enters really simply, stays secure, and you'll be good to go. And then you can add any of the bits you want. A nice little added touch is this light here, because a lot of times when you're building things, you're in a cramped space or a dark area, so that light does help out a ton. And you'll see that when we build this table. So if you like videos like this, you like simple home DIYs, you found the right channel. And
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.